Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So, welcome to the class of English. So, our today's topic is nouns, gender. So, first of all, we should know what is the meaning of gender. Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Now, when we differentiate between male and female nouns, that is called a gender. Now, in this chapter, we are going to talk about three genders, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, and neuter gender. So, first of all, we will study about masculine gender. Now, what is a masculine gender? Men, boys, and male animals, they are of the masculine gender. For example, brother, uncle, grandfather, father, these are all the examples of masculine gender. Now we'll talk about feminine gender. Women, girls, and female animals, they are of the feminine gender. Now look at the examples. Sister, aunt, grandmother, and mother, these are the feminine gender. Look at into the example of masculine gender, which is a male, and female is feminine gender. Fox, the female feminine gender will be vixen, right? Drake, duck. Now drake is masculine gender. Feminine gender of drake is duck. Now what is a neuter gender? A noun that refers to a thing that is neither male nor female, that is of the neuter gender. For example, the pillow is soft. Pillow is neuter gender. All common nouns that refer to non-living things, they are of the neuter gender. Now look at into page number 48 from your grammar books. Here are some pairs of masculine and feminine nouns. Now this chart you have to learn it thoroughly by your heart, right? For example, hero, heroine. Hero is masculine gender and feminine gender of hero is heroine. Next, nephew, niece. King, queen, lion, lioness. So likewise you have to learn this list which is given to you. Now look at into page number 49. In exercise A, what does it say? That you have to fill in the blanks with matching masculine or feminine nouns. Now this is from the list only that we have done in page number 48. First is count. Now count, feminine gender will be countess. Grandmother, grandfather. Likewise, you have to complete this exercise A. Now, exercise B says you have to rewrite the following sentences replacing each underlined noun with the noun of the opposite gender. Now, of the underlined noun, you have to replace it with the opposite gender. For example, look at into sentence number 1. The king was a kind man. King and man, they both are underlined nouns. Now you have to write the opposite gender. Now opposite gender of king is, yes, queen, and man is women. Right? So you have to complete this exercise like this. Now look at into page number 50. Some nouns like child, student, baby, animal, parent, neighbor, which can refer to a male or female, they are said to be of the common gender. Right? For example, look at into the example. Nowadays, people do not wish to make a difference between a man and a woman. So we often find that though there may be a masculine noun and matching feminine noun, the same noun is used to mean both a man and a woman. So they are of the common gender. For example, actor is a masculine noun and the matching feminine noun is actress. However, the masculine noun actor is now used to mean either a man or a woman who acts in a play or a film. Similarly, words like mayor, patron, poet, and manager, they are now used to refer to a man or a woman. So these are all the examples given of common gender. So here is a list of some of the nouns of the common gender. You can see the list given on page number 50, yellow part, that is thief, student, enemy, relation, driver, lawyer. Likewise, you have to learn this list also. Now look at into page number 51. In exercise C, what you have to do, in the following sentences, underline the nouns of the common gender. We have to underline the nouns that is of common gender. Common gender means it can be male also, it can be female also. That's what we have studied on page number 49 and 50. My friend is a writer. So friend and writer both are nouns of common gender, because friend can be both masculine or feminine gender, and writer can also be both male and female. So likewise, you have to complete this exercise also. Now look at into exercise number D. State the gender of the following nouns. One has been done for you. You have to state the gender, whether it is masculine gender, whether it is feminine gender, or whether it is neuter gender. For example, look at into 3 example. Baby. Baby is common gender. Why it's a common gender? Because baby can be both male or female, right? Now what will be the gender of lady? Lady is feminine gender. So likewise, you have to complete exercise A, B, C, D in your grammar book. Thank you.